Let's get some body armor. This is a #1 chosen beverage for sports athletes. So why is that? Well, let's talk about electrolytes in general. Electro means energy, light. Electrolyte, that gives you energy. So there's a couple different ways you can get these electrolytes. So calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, those are electrolytes. So we can choose to get them from rocks. Like in the earth, rocks that has those minerals. Or we can choose to have a plant that our body is designed to consume have those minerals or those electrolytes. So in the container here, if you're an athlete, these minerals that are going to be added in here come from a rock. Because if you put a plant in here, it would start to rot. And so you don't obviously want to drink rotten water, so they put minerals in there, electrolytes, for taste and also to make you believe that it's a good choice for an athlete. As an athlete, you want a chelated mineral. That means that the plant that our body is designed to consume goes down with its roots and picks up all the rock formed minerals, electrolytes, brings it up through the roots and out to the leaves, and then of course we eat the plant. Now that's a chelated mineral, our body can digest and utilize that electrolyte more effectively. Whereas here, you'd literally be taking a rock, putting it into your body. The problem with that is these minerals have a hard time making it past the gut wall. So what they'll tend to do is they'll go in your body undigested, calcium deposits, kidney stones, and can lead to glaucoma. So these form of electrolytes is definitely not smart as an athlete because you want the highest quality of everything going in your body. Now the next thing we want to talk about here is as an athlete, especially men bodybuilders, you don't want a lot of estrogen going into your body. Estrogen is known as the belly fat hormone, causes pooch, causes breast tissue to grow, and 75% of men and ladies with breast cancer have too much estrogen. So let's talk about how this water gets estrogen. Water is a solvent and scavenger. You put water in plastic, it's leaching up this contaminant known as xeno, X-E-N-O, xenoestrogen. And that is a form of estrogen our body thinks is estrogen, but it doesn't get broken down by the liver, so our body has to use it. And so it goes in those cancer cells, and those cells you don't want to feed, and it feeds those cells. So definitely as an athlete, you don't want estrogen in the body. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and check this here for two different things. We're first gonna check the pH, because a lot of people believe that if you drink a pH water, you're gonna have a lot more benefits in your health. And the latest research suggests that there's no benefit to alkaline water unless there's hydrogen in it. That's molecular hydrogen gas created through the process of electrolysis. You have to have a unit that makes it. So a lot of these waters out there will have added baking soda to create the alkalinity. This one adds in potassium bicarbonate, which is like baking soda but with potassium, which is a buffer for the body. Unfortunately, when the potassium or any alkaline buffer like baking soda goes in your blood, our body's like, wow, this is really alkaline, what am I gonna do? And you can go into a state called alkalosis, where you have too much alkalinity in your blood, you go into a coma, and you can actually pass away. So we don't want that to happen to you, so we're gonna check the pH here. Your body does a great job of maintaining its own pH. So here is our drops. If it's blue or purple, that means that it's alkaline. So this one here is absolutely alkaline from the baking soda. Now the next thing we're gonna check for is the molecular hydrogen. Like I said earlier, there's no reason to drink pH water, alkaline ionized water, except for the little molecule of hydrogen. So if this water stays blue, there's no hydrogen, molecular hydrogen. In normal tap water, you're gonna have to drink 1 million gallons of that water in order to get a therapeutic dose of molecular hydrogen because it's bonded with an oxygen. So as you see here, there's no molecular hydrogen. Now here we have a unit underneath our counter that makes the hydrogen. And so you'll see the difference here. As an athlete, this is the best water to drink because hydrogen is an antioxidant, goes in, fights free radicals, damage to tissues and cells and hormone systems, and it neutralizes those free radicals, helping you have more energy, recover faster, lowering the lactic acid buildup in your body, the damaged tissue, and helping you maintain the best physique that you want with the highest mental clarity and brain and gut health. So hydrogen is the way to go when it comes to sports athletes. Now that we know that, alkaline water's out, hydrogen water's in, go over to healthyhydration.com and order yourself one of our hydrogen products. You'll absolutely love it, and give us a great review when you're done with that. And we'll see you in the next video.